How to deactivate your Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy method to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. So the very first thing that you need to do is open up your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from here, you just have to head over to your menu icon at the top right corner. Then simply tap on Settings and Privacy down below and head over to Settings. Now just tap on the Account Center, head over to Personal Details, and finally tap on Account Ownership and Control. After that, you have an option for deactivation or deletion. Head over there, and now all of your connected accounts will be shown right here. Simply tap on the account that you want to deactivate, and then from here choose the first option. So you have to make sure that you don't choose the second option because you'll end up deleting your account permanently. So just choose the first option where it says deactivate account, and it is temporary. So you can your main account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed, and most of the things you've shared you'll be able to continue using on Messenger. Now tap on continue, but you have to note that all of these pages will be deactivated as well. That's connected to your account. Now tap on continue. Now you'll just have to provide your password for security verification, and then your account will be deactivated. And to reactivate, you can simply just log into your account back again, and your account will be automatically reactivated. So that's it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.